Arroz Seco con Picadillo de Jabalí. This is a Spain dish. It's in essence rice with wild boar picadillo. And this wild boar was provided to me by a good friend, a Marine, Bob Gattuso. He hunted and he got it. And please don't be sensitive. We have 6 to 9 million wild boars in 35 states. And you know the damage that they cause to farms is 2.5 billion per year. And we need our farms, right? Let's create. Let's get started. Now this is not a paella. This is a paella pan, but the meal is not a paella. It's rice. It's a rice dish. So I have this a medium high. I'm going to put some sea salt. Spread it around. The wild boar is very lean, so I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. Preheat that baby. And I'm going to add this baby in. Make sure it's at room temperature, okay? And you're going to break it. And you're going to make your picadillo old school, okay? You know, here in the United States, they call this sausage. People, a jabalí, wild boar, okay? Let me get this picadillo. Cataluña, España. Cataluña, Spain. You're going to cook this baby, okay? Few minutes later, about 3 or 4 minutes, you're going to remove the picadillo, okay? Remove it. I reduce the heat a couple notches above medium. I have an onion here chopped and half a green pepper. What I'm doing here, I'm going to prepare my sofrito, okay? I also have some garlic, 3 teeth, chopped, smash and chop, which I'm going to add later. But let's caramelize this first, okay? About 5 minutes later, I'm going to add the garlic. And I'm going to mix it up for about a minute, okay? About a minute later, I'm going to add some tomato paste, okay? And what I'm going to do too, I'm going to add also some small paprika. And I'm going to mix it up and cook it for about 3 or 5 minutes, okay? About 2 minutes later, I'm going to remove it, okay? Going to put it aside. And it's going to look dark, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some white wine, about half a cup. And I'm going to scrape this baby, but at the same time, I'm going to let this wine cook for about a couple minutes because I want the alcohol to evaporate, okay? But I'm going to clean this up. and get the alcohol to evaporate. This is optional, but I like green beans, so I'm going to add them now. And I'm going to add the sofrito. Going to mix everything together. I'm going to add the rice. This is a cup and a half bomba rice, okay? Mixing everything up. Now it comes the wild boar picadillo. And I'm mixing everything up, okay? And what I'm going to do is going to let it mix for about a minute, okay? I have some beef stock that was heating up. It's about 4 cups maybe. Let me spread the stuff around. Medium high the heat. And just spread it around now, okay? And I'm going to let it go like this for about 3 or 4 minutes, okay? Maybe even 5. About 5 minutes or so. Let me reduce the heat to a couple notches below medium. And I like to cover this with aluminum foil because I want to take advantage of this steam, okay? I checked it out a few times to make sure things were cooking appropriately. Let me get a piece of rice. Yeah, perfect. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty.